Welcome, dear one. Let's begin by gently closing your eyes and placing one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Feel the warmth of your touch. This is your safe space, your sacred moment. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Inhale love. Exhale tension. Let's slow everything down. I invite you to imagine that in front of you is a mirror. You're standing before it, looking into your own eyes. What do you see? Not your face, not your appearance, but the soul behind your eyes. Look deeper. You may see pain, doubt, fear, but beyond that is your truth. Gently say to yourself, as if speaking to your reflection, I am willing to see myself in a new way. I am willing to believe new things about who I am. Feel those words. Let them echo inside your chest. Now imagine your reflection slowly transforming. See yourself transforming. You see you standing tall, confident, peaceful, radiant. This is your empowered self, the version of you who knows your worth, who speaks with love, who acts with courage. Let this transformed image of yours sink in. Breathe in, breathe out. Now think about 3 qualities that you want to strengthen and reinforce in yourself. Are these qualities: I am powerful, I am a leader, I am creative, I am consistent, I am lovable, I am enough? You can pick any 3 from these, or you can think of whatever they are for you. Bring them forward now. Speak to your reflection and say these qualities as affirmations, one by one. I am. Quality 1. I am. Quality 2. I am. Quality 3. Say them again, but this time feel them. Say them with warmth, with belief. Let every word become a promise. Now, bring your younger self into the mirror, the little, tiny version of you, the one who just wanted to be loved, seen, and encouraged. Speak to yourself with love, giving yourself a safe space, telling it to yourself that all the past decisions that you made which went wrong, they went wrong because you were not as smart back then as you are today. But now you are safe. You are loved. You are everything you need to be. You feel seen because you have shown up. Take a deep breath now and let all these new beliefs sink deep into your heart. Visualize them as golden seeds planted inside your soul, ready to grow, ready to bloom. You are not broken, you are becoming. Now gently return to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes and open your eyes with a soft smile. Your new beliefs are already working within you. Speak them, live them, share them. You are powerful beyond words. Come back to your reality. Open your eyes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.